Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Auragen unit from Reversal Solutions. So every one of you receives one of these quick start guides in your unit package, and it kind of walks you through how to use it and what all the different buttons do. But I just decided to take it a step further so you can just watch me help you instead. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to turn the unit on with the on button, and once you do that, you're going to want to select which music track you would like. There are 8 different selections, and you can also adjust the volume to make sure that you don't blow out your eardrums. There's a little audio jack on the side you can plug your earphones into. There's a preview of about 5 seconds for each of the different music tracks. On the other side over here, you can hit the track button. You can listen to it for about 5 seconds and then click it and listen to the next one until you reach the one that you like and just leave it on the one that you want to use. Or you can listen to it with no music. And then you're going to select which color mode you would like. So to do that, you're going to use the second button down, and then the first option should be on Renew. And so I'm going to just go ahead and start that so you can see what that will look like. So the Renew is red and near infrared. And then the next option down, if you click Mode again, that's going to be Calm. So the Calm is blue turquoise and near infrared, and it has a little bit of the red in it. As you can see, it's primarily the blue turquoise color. And then the last option, if you click Mode one more time, is going to change to Relief. The Relief is actually both red and the blue turquoise evenly, and then it has secondary a little bit of the near infrared in it. Okay, so now that you've selected both the music and the color mode, the next thing you're going to do is want to select which flicker entrainment you would like. So that will be the third button down where it says flicker. So the first option there will be Theta, and that takes your brain into a very relaxed meditative state. The second one, if you click it again, will be Gamma. And so Gamma actually has both light and sound. So you can choose whether you just want to do the light only, but if you want the sound with it, you use the headphones that you use for the music also. And that actually can play in parallel with the music track that you selected. So a lot of times it takes people a little while to get used to the Gamma flickering. So it's nice to kind of start it out low with the music and maybe increase the volume of the Gamma as you go. And you want to make sure that the Gamma is not too loud, especially when you're first starting, because it can get really loud and it kind of scares people. And then the last option is the Gamma sound only. So this option will not have the white flickering at all. It'll just be the sound of the Gamma. Also, the unit does tilt. So when you're going to lay underneath it, you can tilt it back, set your head down, and then pull it forward. So you're already set to go. And that's everything. We hope that you enjoy your Auragen system, and let us know if you have any questions.